we have to find the derivative of sine x times cosine x. First, let me remind that derivative of sine of x is equal cosine of x, and derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x. Next, we see that we have multiplication here, so we have to use the product rule to find this derivative. So let me remind you that when we have u times v prime, this is equal v times u prime plus u times v prime. In our case, u is equal sine of x and v is equal cosine of x. So y prime is equal, first we have to just copy our second function, so we have cosine of x times the derivative of sine is cosine, so will be times cosine of x plus, and now we have to copy first function, so we have sine of x times the derivative of cosine is negative sine of x. So we have negative sine of x. This is equal cosine times cosine will be cosine square of x. Positive times negative will be negative, and sine times sine will be sine square of x. This is my solution.